morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Okay, very good. Students, I request you all to be regular to your online classes and please complete your homework time to time. Okay, and yes, homeworks are available at your school website. So please don't forget to check. Okay. Now, we have studied the lesson number 1 and now we are on the lesson number 2. In that we have studied about cells, lungs, organs, respiratory systems, okay, function of respiratory system. Now today our new topic in lesson number 2 is air pollution. Okay, air pollution. What is air? Before going on air pollution, just tell me what is air? Yes, air is, okay, you can say Hawa in Hindi, but air is present everywhere in our surroundings. Air help us to breathe. Okay, so here before going on air pollution topic, I would just remind you that air is very essential for breathing. In the breathing process we have studied. Okay, so I told you that time that air is very essential for breathing and we cannot breathe in any type of air. Okay, we can breathe only in fresh air, clean air and pollution free air. So what is pollution? What is air pollution? Okay, pollution means to do anything dirty. Okay, that means if air is there and air pollution word is coming, that means air will be dirty. If water is there and water is polluted, okay, or water pollution is there, that means water will be dirty. Okay, so we must need fresh air to breathe, but here in our society, in our environment, day by day the air pollution is increasing. Okay, so what we have to do? First we have to learn about what is air pollution and then we will find out the cause of air pollution, who is spreading air pollution, okay, who is making our environment dirty, and then we have to stop them. Okay, we have to clean our environment. Okay, so these things now we are going to study. Okay, and in this is the last topic of your lesson number 2. Okay, so let's start. What is air pollution? Air pollution, when the air gets polluted due to the presence of harmful substances. Harmful substances such as dust, okay, smoke particles, okay, dust particles, smokes, that is called as air pollution. Or you can say in another words, air get polluted due to the presence of harmful substances such as smoke, dust particles is known as air pollution. Or the air pollution is the contamination of air, okay, due to the presence of harmful substances. In harmful substances many things are there. Okay, smokes are there, dust particles are there, okay, smoke emitted by vehicles, many things are there. So when the contamination of air means it will be dirty by some harmful substances. Okay, so that is called the air pollution. Clear? Okay, next is causes of air pollution. This is clear, air pollution. Next is causes of air pollution. Now we will causes of air pollution. There are two types of cause. That means first is this air pollution. The cause is two types. First is due to the natural resources. Okay. First, due to the natural resources or sources. Okay. And now what? Due to the natural sources means, naturally when air is get polluted. Okay, when naturally air gets polluted. Suppose now you will think, in nature who will pollute the air? Yes, sometimes what happen, the example of this natural sources are that dust storm, okay, forest fire and volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruption means, volcano means, yes, ज्वालामुखी. Okay, ज्वालामुखी के फटने के बाद so many gases are released. Okay, so that gases are going into the atmosphere, in the air, in the sky, and air get polluted. Okay, and then dust storms are there. You know that in some seasons very heavy dust storms are there. That time air gets polluted with the dust particles. Okay, then next is forest fires. Okay, forest fire, when in the forest fire is there, okay, naturally, so they are known as cause of air pollution due to the natural sources. Now next is due to the human activities. Due to the human activities. Human activities, this is the major cause of air pollution. This is the major cause of air pollution. Due to the human activities, humans, that means all human beings, okay, they are only polluting the air, polluting the environment very badly, okay, just because of their bad activities. Example, you can say that many people use vehicle for small distance, okay, or they are not using public transport, okay, they use their own vehicles, and so many vehicles when on the road is there, okay, so from every vehicles smoke is emitted, okay, smokes released, so that smoke is just mixing into the air, and air gets polluted very badly, and people are breathing in that air only. So what happened in that, when they breathe in the polluted air, they get some disease, okay, or they feel some irritation, itching. Okay, next topic are that only, that what are the effects of air pollution. Okay, but before going on that, we will see first what are the human activities which cause the air pollution. Okay, so here human activities are many more, okay, many. See, first, when they use the vehicles, okay, gas released, and when they burn the garbage, okay, when they burn the household, then garbage is there from their house, they are throwing outside on the roadside or anywhere, so they are collecting and they burn the garbage. When they burn the garbage, you know, in that number of plastics are there and many other items are there. When they get burned, after burning the plastic, when it's burned or any other substance are burning, smokes released, okay, and that in that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur, and these are all bad gases are in number of, okay, in very high amount, okay, So when they released in the air gets polluted. Okay, and once air gets polluted, we can't do anything. It will mix in the air, and that air we will breathe. So it is very important to control the air pollution. Okay, so now next is human activities. In that, humans are only polluting the air. How? They are not using the public transport. Instead of that, they use their own vehicles, and they make numbers of vehicles on the road. Okay, and when more vehicles are there on the road, more smokes will be emitted and the air gets polluted. Second, they burn the garbages. Okay, and third, many factories are there. Factories, children, factory. In factory, when they prepare the things, after that, when the smoke release from their factories upside, you can see the smokes in the air, how it is going in the sky, and then they mix into the air. Okay, they mix into the air. So what is it? The factories are also playing role in air, causing the air pollution. Okay, they also play an important role in the cause of air pollution. Then what should we do that air pollution can be controlled? What should we do? We have to do. Okay, let's see. First of all, causes we know. When we know the cause, we know we can know the effects also. Okay, and once we know the cause of the air pollution, we can control also air pollution. Example, in this lockdown time, this time you are not going anywhere. Okay, you are in lockdown in your home. Okay, but some people are going outside. Okay, just because of some important work. But this time you can see no traffic jam is there, no air pollution is there. Means air pollution is there, but it is very, very less. So you can imagine that humans are only the reason, their activities are only the reason of air pollution. They are only the major cause of air pollution. So they are locked down, so no pollution is there. You can see the sky, so clear sky is there, and birds are back. Okay, nature is back everywhere, we are seeing. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to reduce the burning of fuels. We have to reduce the burning of garbages. Okay, and factories should be far from the cities areas. Okay, that means in the cities, if factories will be there, pollution will be increased. In the cities, many people are living, no? But it will be in the village area or in the plain field. Okay, so it will be not harmful too much. Okay, then what next step is to reduce the air pollution, that is plantation of the trees or plant. Okay, plantation, and this is a very good time to plant. Okay, because we are locked down, so in this, plantation is very good. Okay, when you will plant the different kinds of plants, you will get the fresh oxygen in your house. Okay, and many varieties of fruits, vegetables, flowers you can see. Okay, so whenever you get chance, please plant the tree or plant a small plant. Okay, plantation is very important. Grow more and more plants. Clear? Then next is, what is the effects of air pollution? What is the effects of air pollution? Now we will see the effects of air pollution. Now we have this causes of air pollution is over. Okay, how we have to control the air pollution, that we have studied. Plant the trees more and more in number. Okay, and factories should be far from cities. Okay, then burning of garbage should be less. Okay, or you can say use of public transport. Use of public transport. Public transport means when we will use the public transport, the smoke will be reduced. Smoke will be less. Okay, the number of vehicles will be less, so smoke emitted by the vehicles will be less. Okay, one person is going to the market, so he or she can use their if market is very near their home, okay, nearby their home, so they can use their leg. Okay, by the walking they can go. But nowadays people are so lazy. What they are doing, everywhere they want to go with their bike, with their scooty, with their four-wheelers. Okay, so this made the human lazy, as well as human activities cause the air pollution. Okay, so we have to reduce. That's why in the school, out of the school, you can see that auto, van, these are there. Okay, bus service is there. Why? Because when one student will come with the one vehicle, traffic jam will be there, smoke emitted by the vehicles will be a lot, and then we can't breathe in the fresh air. The full area will be polluted. So we have to control it by using public transport. Okay, now next is effect of air pollution. What are the effect of air pollution? Okay, air pollution is there, everyone is talking about, but what is the effect of air pollution? There are many effects of air pollution. Okay, there are many effects of you can see that effects of air pollution. Now we will see what is the effects. First of all, suppose if full air is dirty, polluted, and I will say to sit there and breathe properly, okay, and be healthy. So it is possible? No. Children, it is impossible. In dirty air we can't sit. Even in the traffic jam, take an example of your traffic jam when you are returning back to your home from the school. In the auto, you are filled, okay, and traffic jam is there, so many vehicles are standing there in the line, okay, and their smoke is emitted by their vehicles, and you are breathing in that. So we cannot breathe properly in that dirty air. Okay, cough problem first. Okay, when the dirty air goes inside from in our lungs, okay, from the help of nose, we cough. Okay, full respiratory system will be disturbed. Okay, an infection will be there, irritation will be there, headache will be there. Clear? And sometimes it causes dangerous diseases. That means it can be you can say anxiety will be there, or you can say that tuberculosis can be happen, asthma problem can be happen. Okay, because of this effects of air, because of air pollution. Okay, so effects are very dangerous. Okay, what effect? First we will say, okay, no problem, air pollution is there, cough is there, we can cover our nose and we can save ourselves. But small particles, the smokes are there, that is gas. It is going inside our body and it disturbs our full respiratory tract. Okay, respiratory tract means respiratory system, we have already studied. Okay, in that from the nose, trachea, bronchi, lungs, okay, and full that respiratory system, it will be disturbed, okay. Cough problem will be there, asthma problem will be there, and continue. If you will be in the traffic jam, the noise you can listen, headache will be there, some people will not feel good, okay, suffocation will be there, okay, anxiety will be there, and some of the students has irritation. Irritation is in the eyes, itching will be there, irritation will be there, okay. So these are the effects of the air pollution, okay. What are the effects? Let me remind you, okay. The first is asthma can happen, okay. Second will be headache. Third will be, okay, anxiety. This is very important, okay. This happens a lot in human beings, okay, and they are only the major cause of this, okay, irritation. And many more are there, okay. Asthma, headache, anxiety, irritation, cough problem, okay, that will become in that only. Cough problem, okay. So here we have studied air pollution, cause of air pollution, effects of air pollution, and how we can control the air pollution, okay. Clear? This much things we have studied. Now students, you tell me if you are having any doubt. Please note it down in your copy. I think you will get the book and copy soon. If you have already got your copy and books, please go through the school website. Check your question answer of lesson number 1. Exercises are also there, okay. Please answers note it down in the book exercise with the pencil, and interleaf copy you will use for general science, okay. Okay, interleaf means one side plain, one side line, okay, ruled. And in this lesson number 2, your homework is to draw the label diagram of respiratory system, okay. Don't worry, all the homeworks you will get on the website, but still in the video I just inform